To install a printer on the Toshiba laptop or to see what printers you already have installed and have access to, you're going to want to visit the Action Center. So if you're on your touch screen, if you'll take your finger and you'll swipe across your screen from right to left, your Action Center will open. And you're going to go to All Settings and choose Devices. Under the printers and scanners section, you're going to see a list of all the printers and scanners that you already have installed on your computer. If you're at home and you need to add a printer, at the top you'll click on Add a Printer or Scanner. Windows 10 has a lot of drivers already built in, so you shouldn't have a problem getting it installed by yourself at home. If you're at school and you need to have a network printer installed, you'll probably need to enter in a help desk ticket so that a technician can visit your computer and install it, or you can call the help desk at 2300 and let them know what printer you need installed, and they can remote into your computer and install it that way. Just let them know which one you need.